In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see order history in Microsoft Rewards. Copy. To make this quick and smooth, I'll walk you through the exact path in Windows settings you need to use, explain what each screen means, and share a few tips so you don't hit any snags along the way. First, start by opening the Start menu and heading into Settings. If your device shows a lot of pinned apps, just look for the gear icon or type Settings into the search bar. Once Settings is open, you'll land on a main dashboard. From here, choose System on the left-hand sidebar. System is where Windows groups core controls for your device, and that's exactly where we need to be for the next part. Inside System, look for Activation. This section manages your Windows license and tells you whether your copy is already activated. If you don't see activation right away, use the search box at the top of Settings and type Activation to jump straight to it. On the activation page, select Change Product Key. Windows may ask for permission to continue, so confirm that prompt if it appears. This opens a small window where you can enter your product key. Go ahead and type in your valid Windows 11 product key carefully. Hyphens are optional, but accuracy is not. Double check for common mix-ups like the number 0 versus the letter O or the number 1 versus a lowercase l. Also, make sure the key you're using matches your Windows edition, such as Home or Pro, because a mismatch will prevent activation. When you're confident the key is correct, click Next and then choose Activate. Windows will quickly verify your key online. A reliable internet connection helps here, so make sure you're connected. If everything checks out, your system will activate, and if you previously saw an Activate Windows watermark on your desktop, it should disappear almost immediately. If you run into an error, don't panic. First, re-enter the key slowly and confirm the edition matches your installed version. If you upgraded hardware recently, a brief restart before trying again can help. Keys are one-time use, so if the key has already been used on another device or doesn't match your region or edition, you may see an error message indicating that. In that case, review where you obtained the key and consult the licensing details provided by the seller or official support resources. That's it. You opened Settings, went to System, selected Activation, changed the product key, entered a valid key, and completed activation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.